See the question number 11. A new firm commenced business on 1st April 2022 and purchased goods costing rupees 90,000 during the year. A sum of rupees 6,000 was spent on freight inward. At the end of the year, on 31st March 2023, the cost of goods still unsold was 15,000. Realizable value is 12,000. Sales during the year is 1,20,000. What is the gross profit earned by the firm? फर्म को ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट कितना होगा? Here the correct answer is here option A 42,000, B 30,000, C 36,000, D 39,000. Correct answer will be 36,000. Question alternative C is correct. Question number 12. Income tax paid by sole proprietor. Income tax paid by a sole trader is reflected in his financial statement. On the debit side of the trading account, on the debit side of profit and loss account, as an assets in the balance sheet, as a way of deduction from capital in the balance sheet. इनकम टैक्स को जो है कैपिटल से माइनस किया जाता है, इसलिए अल्टरनेटिव डी करेक्ट है. नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन 13. Insurance paid 16,000 including premium of 12,000 per annum paid up to 30th June 2023. What will be the adjusting closing entry necessary as on 31st March 2022? Alternative A, insurance prepaid account to insurance account 3,000. B, insurance account debit to insurance prepaid account 3,000. C, insurance prepaid account debit to insurance account amount is 4,000. And D, insurance prepaid account debit to insurance account 1,000. Which will be the correct answer? Here the premium paid is 12,000 per annum and paid up to 30th June. Year end on 31st March. So the premium paid in advance for 3 months. 12,000 is for 1 year. So premium will be for 3 months 3,000. 12 महीने का है 12,000, इसलिए 3 मंथ का 3,000 होगा. और करेक्ट आंसर ए है इंश्योरेंस प्रीपेड अकाउंट डेबिट टू इंश्योरेंस. जब इंश्योरेंस प्रीपेड रहता है एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर, देन वी मेक एंट्री इंश्योरेंस प्रीपेड अकाउंट डेबिट टू इंश्योरेंस अकाउंट. अमाउंट इज 3,000. नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Question number 14. Here the question is, which of the following statement is correct? Kings International. Here adjustment is PL account as on 31st March 2023. B, Kings International PL account for the year ended 31st March. C, Kings International PL account for the year ended 31st March 2023. And D is here Kings International PL account for the current year 2022-2023. The correct answer will be C. PL account is written, the title of the PL account will be like that, PL account for the year ended 31st March 2023. Now see the question number 15. A rent paid on 1st October 2021 for 1 year up to 30th September 2022 was 2,400. Rent paid on 1st October 2022 for the year up to 30th September 2023 was rupees 3,200. Rent shown in the profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2022 would be कितना होगा? रेंट जो है 1 अक्टूबर 2021 को दिया गया है 30 सितंबर 2022 तक का 2,400 है, यानी पर मंथ 200. नेक्स्ट है रेंट पेड ऑन 1 अक्टूबर 2022 फॉर द ईयर up to 30th September 2023 was 3,200. Now calculate this thing here. Here the odd year ended on 31st December every year. So in the year 2022, the rent for 9 months will be calculated on the basis of 2400. 2400 is for 12 months. So for 9 months will be 1800. And next rent paid on 1st October 2022 for the year 30th September 2023 was 3200. 3200 इस ईयर में, जिसमें जो है हम अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर 3 महीने का निकालेंगे. Here the rent is 3200 for whole year. So the rent for 3 months will be 800. So 1800 or 800, 2600. The correct answer is D. Option A is here 6000, B is 3200, C is 3000, D is 2600. D is correct answer, 2600. This amount will be debited to profit and loss account on for the year ended 31st December 2022. Now see the question number 16. Accrued income is option A liabilities, B revenue, C and assets, D and expenses. Accrued income is treated as an asset. So the correct answer will be C. Alternative C is correct answer. Now see the question number 17. If closing stock appear in trial balance, then it will be appearing in option A trading account, B balance sheet, C profit and loss account, D trading account and balance sheet. यदि क्लोजिंग स्टॉक का अमाउंट ट्रायल बैलेंस के अंदर होता है तो उसके लिए केवल एक जगह एंट्री होती है और वो एंट्री बैलेंस शीट के एसेस